how to fix OTP receiving problem solved in your Android mobiles. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new videos. So um, before starting this video, I want to show you something that if you are new in this video, then please be a member in our channel and hit the likes in the video. So guys, at first you have to go in your Play Stores, and after that you have to search for Facebook. After coming in Facebook, so guys, if your Facebook is not updated, uh, then you should be updated. If you are available, update available options is there. Okay, so if it is everything's fine, then it's okay. So after doing update, what you have to do, come back in the settings, and what you have to do, search for app management, and after that app list, and after that you have to search for Facebook. So after that you have to come in the storage uses, and you have to clear cache and clear data. After that come in the permissions, and you have to make allowing your every objects. In your every should be allow, not denied. Okay, so and after that at last you have to go for force stop. By doing force stop, come back to the mobile homes, and you should reset your mobile. Okay, so this how it gonna be work and your OTP problems. So guys, thanks for watching this video.